Hey there! So, let's dive into the problem we're facing. The issue at hand is related to looping over cells that are selected using the mouse and control key. The goal is to understand the difference between using a for each loop and a for next loop, and to figure out how to achieve the desired result using the latter approach. When using for each loop, everything works smoothly, but things don't go as planned when attempting the for next loop. Now, let's discuss the solution provided earlier. In the code snippet presented, we are introduced to a script that tackles the problem using a for next loop. The key here is to recognize that selected cells may comprise multiple areas, so we need to loop through each cell within each area individually. By iterating through each area and then each cell within that area, we can effectively offset the values as intended. Expanding on the solution, the second code snippet showcases the initial for each loop approach. This method works seamlessly for iterating over each selected cell without delving into the complexities of multiple areas within the selection. By explicitly declaring the variables and looping through each item in the range, we can achieve the desired outcome effortlessly. In summary, understanding the intricacies of selected cell ranges and utilizing the appropriate looping method is crucial for efficiently manipulating data in Excel. Whether you opt for the for next loop or the for each loop, adapting the approach to fit the scenario at hand is key to success. And with that, we've cracked the code on looping through selected cells in Excel. Subscribe, like and comment below. Let's excel together.